everybody. We're going to do some nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes are from the old medieval days of kings and queens and knights and dragons, and they are really, really fun rhymes to learn or to sing. So, join me. Here we go. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his song, and he called for his dance, and he called for his singers 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 little kittens lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, what about cake? Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Yummy! Look at the clock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle,